Why I am sure that I will be a millionaire. So, to answer this question, I can answer it shortly. And the short answer I will give it to you immediately, which is because I have the right mindset. Because being rich is all depends on the mindset. If you have the mindset of rich people, one day you will absolutely be rich. And on the other hand, if you have the mindset of poor people, whatever happens to you, whatever the luck you will get, you will go back to be poor every day. Even if your dad give you $10 million, you will go back to your poverty line, because it's all about the mindset. And I changed my mindset after reading Rich Dad Poor Dad for Robert Kiyosaki book. So this book changed my mindset, absolutely changed it dramatically. And I changed my route on the life and how I can earn. So I learned how to earn. So this is the thing. Learn to earn. You can't earn much money without learning, and one source of learning is YouTube. If it's not the biggest. You have YouTube, you have Skills Shares, you have so many sources. Some of them are free and the other are paid. But you will definitely can learn free in this decade, which is we are now in 2022. So I have more than one business. I have KDB. I have some investments. I'm sure I will get to $1 million by only KDB, which is my topic in this channel. But KDB is one of the steps to be, because it's all about buying or creating assets, not buying a luxury car or houses for wasting your money. So yeah, so maybe in one day I will tell you about this book and how it changed my life dramatically. So yeah, people in Amazon are making huge amount of money. So if we type coloring book, for example, this one, you can see there is a much huge competition. So 2,000, 1,000, 200, 1,000. So I know if you create a book in the same niche, you are not going to make one sale or a couple of sales. But the idea is people are making huge amount of money. So my mindset is in this aspect is, if people making, for example, 100,000 a month from this business, why I can't make 1% from what they are making? So why I'm not able to earn $1,000 a month? Only 1%. So yeah, so I'm not aiming to achieve achievements like them exactly, even 1% of their achievement. So yeah, and as I told you, it's one of the steps. It's one of my business, but it's not alone, because I have some kind of real estate and some other businesses. But I'm sure I will be, at least if not millionaire, I will be rich in my concepts, because my aim is to earn 3,000 completely passive, $3,000 a month passively. And this is the idea, passively. I'm not active, I'm not working to earn money. The money is working for me. So this is the idea. So I know this is not a normal video like you used to watch. I know this video absolutely maybe will get only 50 views, but I don't care, I don't give shit, because I was thinking about that, and I told you about it because one day I will come back to this video and I will see myself from that point to this point and how it changed. So I'm seeing the progress now. I'm seeing the progress while I'm working. So yeah, so this is like to my future. Look at me now and see you in the future. and I advise you to do the same. You can do videos or tweet or Instagram post or anything to compare yourself with yourself. So compare your past with your present and so on. So I like this idea. Thanks for watching and see you next time.